What's up guys, Pete Coolis here, and today's video is just going to be really off the cuff and something that's been on my mind lately. I don't have any script, any sort of pre-made presentation for this. I just want to get something off my chest that I see a lot of Amazon sellers doing, and myself included in the early days of my journey. And what I'm talking about is the ability not to let go of bad products. And you can't just sit there and keep throwing good money after bad money and expecting the same or a different result, I should say, month after month, year after year after year. Oftentimes I see people getting attached to their products, married to their products, and they have almost an emotional investment in this particular product because, I get it, right? You did a ton of work to find this product initially. You did a ton of work to source it from China or the US, you did a ton of work to ship it over here, list it on Amazon, launch it, get it ranked, run all the sponsored ads, do all that kind of stuff to, blow it up and have a successful business. But, sometimes it just doesn't work out no matter how good of a seller that you are. And from my experience selling on Amazon full-time now for about 3 years, and now obviously having my own agency where I perform services and manage other Amazon accounts for brands, I have so much data and experience accumulated over this time period that I can tell you very confidently that there are a handful of your products out of your product line that are going to be making the majority out of your money, right? Not every product that you release, no matter how good or experienced of a seller that you are, is going to work out. And it's for a variety of reasons. And obviously, if I knew the answer, then I would be, worth $1 billion. But the truth is, nobody has a 100% concrete plan that works 100% of the time. It just doesn't exist. Now, you can certainly stack the odds in your favor greatly if you know what you're doing and if you have proven systems and processes, which I do, especially as I highlight in my free course. But the thing is, guys, nothing in life is guaranteed, and nothing in this Amazon business is guaranteed either. The point I'm really trying to make here is there should be no emotional attachment. Don't go out with your buddies or out with your wife or husband or spouse or whatever and, talk about how good the product is and all this kind of stuff. Tell all your buddies like, oh man, this product is amazing, because then at that point you have a vested interest and you're emotionally attached to that product, and it's going to be that much harder for you to kill that product if it does not perform sometime down the road. And, you don't want to be in that position, right? You need to be completely detached emotionally from all of the products within your business, okay? Because the truth is, all that matters in the end, guys, is the math, the numbers. Does it work or does it not work? That is all that matters. I personally don't care if I am selling the nicest, most premium, product in the world that I could be so proud of to tell everybody about. I could be selling that like a Louis Vuitton bag, or I could be selling literally a cardboard box, right? I don't care. It doesn't matter. If the numbers work, the numbers work. If I'm making profit, I'm making profit. And that is literally all that you should be caring about, because there's no ego. There should be no ego in this. There's no ego at all. It all comes down to math. If you are constantly throwing good money after bad, your business is never going to get out of the rut that you are currently in, if that is your given situation currently. Or if you are having a very good time with your business right now, you're profiting, you're cash flow positive, well, hopefully this video will teach you to keep it that way, right? The best way to keep it that way and keep yourself on the fast track for success is to not get attached and invested emotionally into your products. Let me go ahead and give you a real life example of one of my past products that was seemingly very successful at the beginning, right? I launched this product. It did over $200,000 in revenue within a 1 to 1.5 year time period. And, I thought this product was amazing. I thought it was great. And it was great for a little while. But here's the thing. Once you start getting traction with a product, once you get it rolling, one of the most important things you can do for that given product is really scale it up using Amazon sponsored ads. And that can sometimes take upwards of 4, 5, and 6 months to really get those sponsored ads 100% dialed in to where you're making a significant profit day in and day out, and you're going after thousands of keywords at that point. In essence, when people ask me, oh, how much should I be spending on sponsored ads? I don't want to be wasting all my money. Well, in theory, you should be wanting to spend as much money as humanly possible on sponsored ads, because if you're making a profit off of those ads, then you should honestly be willing to spend it, $100,000 a day. Who cares? If you're making profit, you're making profit. The number one way to win at this Amazon business is to be able to move units, right? The Amazon FBA warehouses, the Amazon FBA business is not meant, inventory is not meant to be sitting around for what? This is a business where you better be churning and churning hard if you want a maximum profitability. That kind of is obvious and goes without saying, but the thing is, one of the best ways to really scale and dial in your profits and revenue is through Amazon sponsored ads. And let me just tell you this right now. There are some products out there, it doesn't matter how good the product is, it doesn't matter how good your listing is, how good your main image is, how good your offer or price is. There are some products out there in the Amazon ecosystem that you literally cannot make profitable with sponsored ads. And I know that because I've sold in almost every product niche and or managed products for other people in virtually every niche, ran product launches for other people, managed sponsored ads for other people, and my own products in basically every niche you can imagine. And I've managed some amazing products, like truly amazing products that are better than every other product on the platform, hands down. And I've also managed some very average products that somehow perform very well with sponsored ads for no real explanation. So I'm just here to say that nothing is black and white, nothing is cut and dry. This is kind of a rant video, so sorry if you don't like this kind of style, but this is just me off the cuff, literally just speaking what's on my mind, literally just telling you how it is in the real world, especially from all the experience that I've had. Point is, in the end, numbers, math, all that matters. If you can't make ads profitable for your product, let's say after a 4, 5, or 6 month time period, then in my opinion, it's best to use your money for other sources, right? In my opinion, your money at that point can be better allocated into higher profit endeavors, whether that be another Amazon product, whether that be something else, a stock investment, doesn't matter. All I'm saying is at that point in time, your money can be better utilized in other places that offer a higher ROI potential. That's basically the lesson in this video. So I hope you guys got value out of this. If you have any questions, drop it below this video, and I will be glad to answer them. As you know, I am transparent. I will say exactly how it is, and I don't care about sharing, all the secrets and hacks and all that stuff. So anyway, my name is Pete Koulis. Have a great day, guys. See you later.